Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how we can edit or make drop down list in Google Sheet, as you can see it right here. So let's get straight into it step by step. So how to do that? First, so I will select here in my table this second column, so I will do like that. Now what I will gonna do is go to data right here. Click on it and then go to data validation. Click on that, and now on the right side you will see new uh, site window will appear, data validation rules. So let's go and add a rule, and as you can see already here in the table that we get some drop down menu, because we have some words right here in the table, so the program automatically detects them. So what I can do now, I can select here whatever I want, so I will go with drop down menu. Now I can change the color all of the words in my drop down menu. So let's go like that. And yeah, I can also add another item, so I can add new value if I want. So you basically can start from empty cell and then you can work your way out through these values that you adding values. I can show you later what I mean. Now I selected everything. I can rename something if I want. When I'm happy with my results, I just click done. And now I have rule right here. And if I go here into my table, you can see now what I have here. So I can change now what I want from my cell in this table. Now the same thing goes for empty cell. So if I do something like that, and if I go here to data and data validation and add new rule right here on the right side, and as you can see I have two options now. So I will be short, so change color like so, add another one, and then click done. And as you can see now we have 1, 2, 3 options right here, and it's pretty simple how we can do this. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.